Now start next. We have learned the plants and animals living in a particular region have special features that make them fit to survive there. The special features that enable plants and animals to survive in a particular region are called adaptations. The shape of the deodar trees and the height of the rhododendrons are adaptations that enable them to survive in the mountains region. The place where plants and animals live is called their habitat. It means plants and animals live in a where place called in habitat. For example, the habitat of sea turtles is the sea or the ocean. The habitat of a camel is the hot or the cold desert, and the habitat of a rhododendron is the mountains. The habitat of plants and animals provide them food, water, air, shelter, and other needs for their survival. Many types of plants and animals may share the same habitat. Habitat plays an important role in shaping the biodiversity of region. And what are the different way you can group plants and animals based on their habitat? One way is to grouping them into those that live on land and those that live in water. The uh, some definition in live on land and live on water. The plants and animals that live on land are said to live in terrestrial habitat. Some example of terrestrial habitat are forest, desert, grassland, and mountains. The plants and animals that live in water are said to live in aquatic habitats. Some example of aquatic habitats are ponds, lakes, rivers, and ocean. Some animals such as frogs can live in water as well as on land. They are called amphibians. Amphibians. What would happen if the habitat of a plants or animals is damaged? What would happen if a goat does not get grass to eat? Can a fish survive without water? Check with your parents, grandparents, and your neighbors to know about the plants, birds, insects, or any other animals they used to see frequently in their childhood but do not see as often now. These changes often happen when habitats are damaged. The damage to habitat of plants and animals result in loss of their homes, food and other resources. This leads to loss of biodiversity.